Hi guys, my name is Nonima Tikela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want to talk about Fiso Kuhlentuli. I will add yesterday and today. There's a lot of things that we can talk about. So before we do that, guys, please make sure you do not forget to like, to share, to comment, and most importantly, please make sure you are subscribed on the channel. Please make sure you are watching the videos up until the end and you are watching the ads that are coming through. When you're doing that, you'll be supporting this channel financially and in numbers. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Now, let's talk about Fiso Kuhlentuli. Yesterday, Babu Zungu started a conversation as he was giving his evidence in chief. While he was busy, he drops something that shocked Fiso Kuhlentuli. But you know, they were looking for a girlfriend Kankani. Fiso Kuhlentuli was laughing and everything. And then Fiso Kuhlentuli was like, let me listen. What? You say what? And they were looking for his girlfriend. There could be so many possibilities. I did a video about that. But now, the part that I want to deal with when it comes to this is that, so from that time, Ubabu Zungu somehow ruined the day for Fiso Kuhlentuli. But I saw him because he got angry. When he realized, he got very angry. When he came to terms with what was being said and what it means, perhaps for him, we make different assumptions about it. But he was like, he was like, really? Did what? My girlfriend? Excuse me? He was not impressed. He was really not impressed. And after that, Fiso Kuhle was like, the entire time he looked like he's not okay. He is mad. He's angry at what he's hearing now. Not that he was angry at Ubabu Zungu. I wouldn't stretch it that far. Me, I believe he was angry at the information that he was hearing and to come to a realization that Chini Uzungu Junior unjwayela kabi hayi nje kancane ungijwayela kabi ngokungifaka in this situation ungijwayela kabi na ulandelele nentombi yami. That was me when I was understanding what he was saying. And then the entire day, but at some point when Ubabu Zungu was refusing with his notes, I saw him laughing. He was laughing. It's just that I won't be able to put the video now, but I saw him laughing. And at some point, he was having a conversation with I choose number 4 and 3. At some point, yes. Now people were making it look like he's angry today. Now that Babu Zungu is there, but now I saw exactly when he started being angry. Watch the video before making any other assumptions. Watch the video and watch it very careful. Sharp. Now, let's talk about today. So today, he reported that there is no court today. The session was postponed to tomorrow because Fiso Kuhlentuli was beaten up in Kgosi Mampuru. Kgosi Mampuru is a problem sometimes in other matters. Hey, when it comes to the Senzo Mewa case, we are always having problems with you guys. It's either people are late, if it's not late coming, there are issues, blah, blah, blah. There was a time it was I choose number 3. They had to lift him up and bring him to court because of the iron logs, whatever. Yay, kuningi. Now it's Fiso Kuhlentuli. And Ndhlu refused to come to court because they refused to give him his right to a phone call to his lawyer. And that erupted to a chaos of him being beaten up, assaulted by prison wardens. Fine. That we dealt with in a separate video. You will go and look for that. Watch that video. Now, he comes to court. When you see him, I was so disturbed, I do not want to lie. In him in that red uniform, the vest, the way his vest is sitting, it shows it shows that there was this that happened, and you can see him even here. You can see his face. He was in a fist fight there. Whether he fought or not, I don't know, but there was a fist beating that happened there. You can see the anger that he has. You can see how angry he is. You can hear from Numalo that it's quite serious. He is very pissed. You can see how he is sitting. He did not even have the time to go and sit at number 5's place. He's sitting at number 3's place. That's how angry he is today. And you could see number 3 and number 4 They are just letting him be because uyafutha. He is fuming with anger. He is fuming. Yes, he is serving for crimes, like some serious crimes. But being beaten up, guys, is not allowed in the law of South Africa. Being further tortured after being jailed is not allowed in the law of South Africa. It's not. Seriously, it's not allowed. So for the wardens to be doing that, wow. Izibindi. Izibindi, guys, emsebenzini. Yeah, that was not entertained. We already spoke about that in another video. But I wanted to say Ufiso Kuhlentulu is not an impressed man. Yesterday, when he heard about how they wanted to look for his girlfriend, and today he got a beating. He's not an impressed man. He's very angry. I wonder what is he coming here, what is he going to come back with tomorrow? What drama is going to happen tomorrow? Because it was drama, Jay. Drama, and it's not nice. So, guys, what do you think Ufiso Kuhlentuli was supposed to do? Do you think that he protest here cannot to come to? In fact, his protest is not about coming to court per se. His protest, my understanding was that he was protesting to come to court with the same guard that denied him his right to a phone call to his lawyer. That was my understanding. That was my understanding. I could be very wrong. I could be very wrong. Yeah, I could be very wrong, guys. But yeah, it is what it is. Anyway, what are your thoughts when it comes to that, guys? Let's talk in the comment section. I want to hear your views. Please do drop your thoughts. I know that we have different views. I don't have a problem with that. Let's just not be rude. Please, but don't be rude. You can have different opinions than me or any other person on the comment section. Just make sure you are not rude when you are doing it. Thank you. I appreciate that in advance. Don't be rude. I know we can have different opinions. Anyway, I'll see you on our next video. Bye-bye.